wherein about 9 people had died. We had met the family members, and last about 12 to 13 days back, we had a meeting with all the officers in Mahanagar Palika. There, the company which is responsible had said that we'll give only 25 lakh rupees. Our demand was 1 crore rupees, but now every family is getting 40 lakhs. But some family members are saying that company is pressurizing us. They are telling us specifically that you have to accept this 40 lakh rupees, or if you demand more, then we will see that you will not get a single rupee. Now we are looking into it, but our demand for that family member is still 1 crore rupees. Yeah, as far as education is concerned, it has to be very clear what kind of education support this company is going to give these family members and the children, as well as house which was supposed to be given by Mahanagar Palika. That subject has been taken by Mahanagar Palika, and they said that they will be providing them with the houses. So we are closely monitoring this issue. Plus, we had also specifically asked that action should be taken against the director of the company which is responsible, wherein that action is not yet taken. We have still demanded them. On Tuesday they will come back to us on this particular issue. There's a guy called Sapkal who's a security in charge, who is forcibly, action has been taken against him. So we have requested them the action should be taken against the owner of the company rather than taking action against the security in charge. So all these topics we have discussed again. In certain cases, Mahanagar Palika has done action, but in certain cases they have not. So we have given them further 3 days to 4 days. Let's see what Mahanagar Palika and the officers working here, have to say about this particular thing.
Also, you have taken a